then I gotta turn you into mermaid.
Okay.
And that's what? Let's take a picture of your mermaid friend.
Yes.
Okay. Go hold my tail.
Then what happens?
And when you're done swimming with me, then I would turn you back to a human when well, Mom, I can't. Mom, you gotta make it low.
Oh, your tail?
Yeah, so I want to take a picture of my favorite too. Take it right now.
Yep. I'm doing a video.
Video? Really?
Really?
A video of your mermaid friend?
Really? Do you have a song to sing?
Okay, I will. Deep down under the sea, swim around happily. Mermaids swim all ye here. Mermaids splash and play. They live on sea. I like mermaids so much 'cause they're pretty. I like mermaids all year. They swim. They don't have to take lessons of swim. They don't even have to take swimming lessons 'cause they know how to swim by themselves. Just you swim your tail. Yeah, taily tail. Splash! And that was the end of my song.